Vaccines provide the body with a form of education. They teach your body's defences, the immune system, how to protect you from disease. Vaccines contain a safe form of the pathogen, a bacteria or a virus, that causes the disease you're being immunised against. The body's natural reaction is to attack that pathogen by creating antibodies. Having been exposed to a particular pathogen once, the immune system remembers it if it's encountered again and is able to fight it off before it can make you sick. You are now immune to the disease. Not only are vaccines safe, but they are the most effective way of protecting your child against disease. During their first few years, your child will be offered immunisations against a number of different diseases, sometimes against multiple diseases at the same time. This is known as the immunisation schedule. It's been designed so your child is vaccinated when the vaccine will be most effective, so it's important to stick to the schedule. Vaccines take advantage of the natural functions of your immune system, which is exposed to and fights off millions of pathogens every single day. The amount of pathogen in a vaccine is very small in comparison, so even when your child receives multiple vaccinations, it will put no extra strain on their immune system. Vaccines are safe, effective, and save lives. If you have any questions about vaccines, then speak to your healthcare professional.